Okay, so we seen that in the last session, right? What is that exist by ID? We seen that one more method, right? So let's see that what is that find by ID. One is exist. This one is checking now. What now, guys? What is it checking now? This one is checking this ID is there or not. If there, then it will return what? This method is returning what? What is that? Yeah, it's there. Means condition is true now. If not there, then what is that? False, right? False condition is returning by now. Okay, so one more method is there, but its returning type is what now, guys? Optional. What is the return type? Find by ID is a optional, and its return type is what? Boolean now. Okay, so its return type is what? Boolean now. But here, what is that optional? Anybody know that optional meaning is what in the Java 8 feature? This is the Java 8 feature now.
Yeah,
Optional. Come on, guys.
yeah, Java 8
Actually,
feature.
it is an optional class to avoid the null pointer exceptions. We are
Good, good,
using
good,
that.
good. Very good, very good. Who's that? Virendra, right?
Yeah.
Appreciated, Virendra. Very good, very good, very nice. Okay, so what? So in the what is that every time, right? Every time checking the null pointer exception, it's too horrible, right? Too horrible. We don't know sometime, right? If we forget it, then we our project we will get in the project. What is that null pointer exception now, guys? Okay, what we will get it now? Null pointer exception. To avoiding null pointer exception, what we have we will use. This is the Java 8 feature. Optional class is there, right? In between using this one, we can avoid what is that null pointer exception, right? What we can avoid it now, guys? Null pointer exception is now. So now fine, guys, so let's see this some things about what is that. This is the optional. First, what is that? We will understand about that something about what optional, right? First we will understand what is that optional, right? Optional is what? Means what? Okay, so if no data, right? If no data in the database, right? If no data exists, then what is that? Then it is a null, right? It is a null. If what is that? Sometime what is that? Data is not there, just it's a previous method is returning what? Boolean, right? We are getting the just think about that. If optional class is not there, just think about that. If just directly we are calling that, right? Next method will be there. If we directly call that, right? If data is not there, then what we will get it now, guys? What we will get it now? Null we will get, right? Null means null we will get. If we null get, then what we will get? Null pointer exception. Our application will throw what? Null pointer exception, right? So same like here. What is that? Next one minute. Yes, yes. So if what is that? If data is null, if data is null, and what we try to what? Perform operation, then what is that? JVM through what? Null pointer exception, right? Null pointer JVM will throw what is that? Null pointer exception, right? To avoiding null pointer exception, right? What we are doing now? What we are doing now to just like this, okay? Just think about that. If we are avoiding null pointer exception, how we are writing the logic now, guys? How we are writing the logic now? To avoid what is that? Null pointer exception. To avoid null pointer exception, using code, right? Using code standard. What is that? Standard, right? Standard. What is that? What is that? How we are avoiding now? We are checking the condition every time, right? Every time what we are checking now, guys, if like just think about that data not equal to null. If data not equal, hey Vijay, what are you doing, man? You want to play here game? You are good in the drawing. You want a drawing session here or
No,
Java
no,
session?
no, sorry. Actually,
Hmm.
okay, go ahead. Sorry.
Then control your finger on your mobile, right? I know that you are using
Yeah,
the
yeah.
mobile.
Yes, yes. Go ahead. Sorry for that.
It's okay, no problem. But please careful, right? Remove it. 1 minute. I will stop this screen. Now it will come. Okay. So if data not equal to null, right? If data not equal to null, what is that? Then data dot what? Data dot just method call. Method call will be there, right? Method call will be there, right? Okay, method call will be there. Is what is that? SOP, just SOP I'm writing. What is that? No data, right? No data, right? No data. This is the standard of what? To avoiding null pointer exception, right? To avoiding what? Null pointer exception. If data is not there in the database, just think about that, assume it, right? But to avoiding null pointer exception, like this we are writing the logic or not, guys? Come on. Like this we are writing the logics or not?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, yes, we can.
Yes. So like this, we are writing the logic to avoiding what? Null pointer exception. So now fine now guys. So same like, but what is that? Web developer may not follow ABO rule, right? So Java added what? Some means what is that? Maybe in the what is that? If you forget it, just think about that. If you forget, some developer what is that? Not following this rule. So what is that? What is that? But what is that? Fail developer may not follow rules. So what is that? Java added what? Added a class optional. Java added what? Optional class to what? Make as what? Above. Make standard as what? Must write code, right? So to avoiding or after ending that what guys? To avoiding what? Null pointer exception only, right? To avoiding what? Null pointer exception only. So in the optional class, right? In the optional class. Okay. So fine now guys. What is that optional? Optional, just what is that? I'm writing what is employee generic type I'm using, right? Employee OPT, right? OPT equal to, okay. What is the method is there now? See this. What is the method is there? Oh, find by ID, right? Find by ID. It's meaning that what now, guys? It's meaning that what? It's also right. It's meaning that what now? It Hey, sorry, it's unmuted now. Unmuted now. Okay. So okay. So this one, if ID is present now, right? Then it's what? Its ID is present now. Means what? Then we can perform the operation. Otherwise, what we will do now? Otherwise, we will not the perform. Then if means what is that meaning that? Then we can able to avoid the what is that null pointer exception or not, guys? Come on. Then we can what? Avoid the null pointer exception or not? So same like, so just think about that. So what I'm going to do now? Okay, so come here in the database, right? These records are there, right? These records are there now. Okay, so what we are going to do now, using optional find by ID, copy this one, come here. Okay, this is the method, right? So this is the method. So what we will do now, using this method now, see this, okay? We will call the repo dot what is that? Find find by ID, right? Find by ID. Okay, find by ID. What I'm going to do now, just what is that? 101 record is there, right? 101 record is there. Now I'm passing here what? 101 here. Okay, it will return, right? It will return what is that? What object it will return? That it will return optional, right? It will return what? Optional. Now just employee, just I'm taking what is that? E reference only, E only, right? So fine. Now so we will call that method. After then what we will do now, after then we will check the condition, right? After then we will check the condition. What check? We will check the condition. Please unmute somebody. Vijay. Okay, so now what is that? If condition, right? If condition is there, in if condition what we will do now, just what is that? No, take the OPT means optional, right? So what we will do now, OPT dot, inside that one boolean method is there, is present, is what is that? Present, right? Then what will happen now? Then what will happen now? Then inside this what is that? Optional one get method is there, right? One get method is there. What is that? OPT dot what? Get, and this get method will return what is that? That raw object, right? That object, what is that? Employee. Based on that record, this record, based on this record, what is that? We will get what is that? The data. Now we will print it, right? This is the operation. This out. Inside that what I'm going to do now, inside that what I'm going to do now means what is that? Just I will write the data found, right? Data found, and what is that? We will take the reference of E only, right? Employee. Is again what we will do now, ELST is we will check the condition, right? After then what we will do now, we will check the condition. If data is not there, sys out data not there, right? This is the condition. Like this we can perform the operation now. Okay, so let's perform it now. Let's implement these things in the application now, guys. Okay, so here come in the our what is that? Boot runner class. Okay, fine.
Command helping us.
Sorry. Yes. Now what I'm going to do now, I'm going to comment this code, right? Alt shift what? Oh, control J, sorry. Control shift backslash. Okay, I commented it now, right? So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to use that, what is that method? Repo dot what? My system is too much hanging now.
Find
Find
all.
by ID.
Yes, I know, but repo, see this, I'm writing something and it's repo dot what? Find by ID, right? And it will return what is that? I'm putting that, what is that? 101 only, right? First one data, right? Here what I'm going to do now, 101, right? It will return what it will return now, guys? Employee, and what is that? OPT, right? OPT. Fine. Now okay, so now here what we will do now, let's check the condition, right? Here we will check using what is that? Optional class. What is that? opt dot what is present, right? If present, then what you have to do now? Then you have to give the data. Otherwise, what is that? Opt dot what get method is there, right? Get method is there, right? This get method will return what is that? 101 data, right? So it will return as what? Employee class. Employee E. Now what I'm going to do now? Just I'm printing that employee class. Okay. Just what I'm printing the employee class. Fine. This out. What is that? Data found, right? Plus what? E. Okay. Else what is that? Else what? Data not there, right? Data not there. Fine now, guys. Now, okay, shall we run this application now? And we can see that we, based on that, our expectation is working or not, guys. Come on. Come on. People are after tea break also, you people are feeling laziness, yaar. What I can do? Be active, yaar. Come on. Are you listening or just what? No one is giving the reply now. Hey, what happened? No one is giving the reply.
You're following Ravi.
It's okay, but
Voice breaking.
my voice is breaking now.
Not sir.
Now fine, now fine.
What
Sometimes
about
breaking.
others? My voice is breaking now. Network issue is there. Let me know that, friend.
No, it's clear, sir.
No, it's clear, Ravi.
Clear, right?
Yeah.
Okay. If in network issue voice is breaking, please let me know that, right? Otherwise, putting the effort, what is the use if you people not get that? No, okay. So please let me know that at the time. What is that? If voice is breaking or anything else, right? Okay. So now I'm running this application now. Now let's run the application and we will see this. See this, we are getting that record or not, guys? It's existing. Data found, right? Data found. It's existing now. Okay. What is that? 101 EMP name Raj, and what is that? EMP share. We are getting or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So fine now. So next one is what? Next one is what now? Okay. Come here, right? Next method. Okay. I'm going inside that what? Where I'm going now? In the CURD repository. Next method, let's take, okay? Let's take, what is that? Let's take, what is that? Find all by ID, okay? Find all, no, okay? Here, what we are doing now, guys? See this. See this, what is that? Here, only one record we are getting, right? If we want to select, what is that? Multiple record, what is that? Find another method, right? I'm going to see that, okay? What is that? Here, find all is there, right? No, still this one. Let's take first one. It's a return type what? Iterable, means list, right? So what is that? Find all by ID, right? What is that? Find all by ID, right? Means what? Okay, let's take this method. Okay, let's take this method, guys. Whatever already predefined API is there in what Spring Boot. Based on that method only I'm explaining. Okay. I'm not showing my heroism here. Okay, whatever is really whatever things is there in what in documentation in what Spring Boot documentation to performing data JPA operation. Those things I'm showing to you people. Okay, here nothing is. I'm showing I'm Topu and nothing. Okay, just whatever actuality is there, whatever reality is there, whatever we have need to learn. Those things only I'm explaining to you people, right? Extra word if you use in the, if you are working in the on the project also, extra one word also you will not use, guys. Okay, whatever things I'm explaining. Okay, so if after then if, with learning this kind of subject again, if you need, right, any institution, then bekar kind of things is there, right? So utilize this subject, guys. Okay, utilize. You people are there in the good platform here. What I'm not doing business with education. What I'm not doing business with education. Wherever you will get, what is that, who is the doing businesses with the education? Okay, they, those people, whatever not things we don't have need to learn, right? Those things also they will teach. And what is we have need, right? Whatever we have need really, those things we are just learning. Okay, unnecessary things we can able to learn, right? Our mind is what, but till when we are learning, right? When we are born, right, at the time onward, wrong things we are quickly learning. Wrong things will come easily, and whatever useful things is there, which one make our life better, those things will not come easily, right? So it's my humble request to you people. Okay, utilize it. I'm not doing business, right, with this kind of education. And think about that. I'm getting multiple opportunity for multiple institution, right? The people are messaging me, Ravikant, don't teach free, or if you are teaching, don't upload your video on what, YouTube. This kind of messages I'm getting, right, from the, I think, I don't know, yeah, in the Bangalore AB, what is that, ABC, or AB, some institution is there, who is the giving the training of Java? Anyone is there from the Bangalore now, and that person is knowing that institution? AB Valley, something, some kind of that fellow. I don't know from where on, where he got my number, right? I don't know from where he got my number. No, everyone, yeah, because he told me, his message to me, Ravikant, just teach with our institution. I will pay you good amount of money, right? I told I don't want, directly, clearly. I said no. I don't want to. What I will educate the people what as a freely and based on my level only. I don't need any institution or anything else, right? So, and even I got from the even why I will hide it, yeah, in Hyderabad only, right? In Hyderabad only, Naresh IT, after then Ashok IT, after then what is that, Satya. These three institutions, from the three institution I got the appraisal Ravikant thesis. Okay, so utilize it, guys. People without see this kind of big institution, right? If they will realize and recognize our what is that teaching style and all those things, because of that they are giving the chance, right? Because of that they are giving the chance. Okay, so whatever subject I'm delivering, guys, everything is experienced. Means whatever things I implemented in the project and all those things. So those things only I'm explaining to you people. Okay, so please utilize it and go through. I will take care each and every front end also. I'm too good in a front end. React, JS, Angular 11. I will teach you guys. Okay, please just believe on me. Don't waste your money anywhere. Only one thing, okay? And guide your friends also, they can also add with us. Okay, and don't worry about that. Nothing my future plan also there about what architechnology. Just architechnology means what is that, helping the people, that's it. Architechnology means what, helping the people. Okay, so uh, okay, and just guide your friends and guide your who is the suffering in their life, right? Here we are there in the good platform, guys. Okay, RK Technology is my challenge today. Also, I'm saying that one word, and in the future also, if anybody meet, right? If anybody asks, Ravikant Tripathi will not take single rupee. RK Technology will not take single rupee of any student, because I know that value of, if people will not do business with education, guys. Okay, if people will not